Hi, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to sign up and make money from most of these survey sites that is not allowing people from your region to sign up on. For instance, if I try to sign up on this survey site, which is known as inboxdollars.com, now you are going to see that it's going to tell me that inbox dollars is not available in your region, okay? And this is actually one of the best survey sites that can help you to make real money online. And you can see that according to Trustpilot, these guys have over 4.0 trust score with over 47,000 reviews. So it means that more than 47,000 people have reviewed that this is actually a trusted site. But the problem that we have right now is that majority of people from Nigeria, Ghana, and most of these other countries cannot be able to sign up on this website and use it to make money. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do that. So if I go to my other browser right now and go ahead and paste the same URL, inboxdollars.com, now you can see that on this particular browser, the website just loaded up right now, because right now this particular website is no longer seeing me as someone that comes from the region or that is residing from a region that they are not accepting people to work from. And as you can see right here, I am not using any VPN right here, should in case you're thinking it's VPN, because VPN doesn't even work on most of these sites, because once you use it to sign up and all that, you start having issues when it comes to receiving payment or even having surveys to complete. So let me quickly go ahead and sign up on this website before I will show you how you can also go ahead to start signing up on most of these survey sites without having any issues, even if you reside in countries or in regions that they do not accept people. Okay, so let's quickly go ahead right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and click and I agree. So I'll go ahead right now and click on continue with email to sign up. So I've added my email and my password. I'll go ahead and click on create an account. So you can see once you join, you're going to get $5 bonus from them. Okay, and right now we have been able to sign up on our account. Now, for you to be able to go ahead and receive your $5 sign up bonus, all you simply have to do is just to go ahead right now and click on this complete sign up now. So it will tell us to go ahead and confirm our email and earn the $5 bonus. So I'll go to my email address right now. Just come down right now and click on confirm now. So as you can see right now, congratulations, you have earned $5. You are on the way to your first reward. Okay, so right now, for us to be able to go ahead and start taking survey, all we simply have to do is just to go ahead right now and click on this take your first survey, and they will take you through a process for you to just complete your profile and answer some basic questions about yourself. Okay, but let me just show you what their survey is like. Okay, so right here you will see that under surveys we have a 3-minute survey that we can easily complete, and it's going to pay us $0.5. Now once we have done that, now this particular one we unlock where we can be able to earn $1 for a 16-minute survey. Then the next one we will unlock, which we can be able to earn $4 for a 12-minute survey. Okay, so this is actually how you will keep on getting surveys constantly right here on this particular platform. Okay, and as you can see right here, our $5 that we earned already just by signing up and confirming our email is still here. Okay, now you can even increase that money to $15 without even having to do any surveys right now. All you simply have to do is just to go ahead and complete these activities that they are going to be giving you right now to be able to earn up to $15 right here. Okay, as you can see, what you need to do, where you go ahead and sign up to this account, complete your profile, play Monopoly, submit, learn and earn, and also add this Billy button to your Google Chrome. That's all you need to do to be able to get your money to $15 right now, before you can even go ahead and scroll down to start taking all these surveys right here. So now that you have seen how I was able to successfully sign up on this survey site that would have previously not allowed me to be able to sign up, and also go ahead to make $5 right there immediately. Now let me show you how I was able to sign up on this type of site, or any site that is not allowing people from my region to sign up on. Let me show you how you can easily access those sites so that you will not have any problem at all when it comes to completing survey or researching or browsing sites that is not allowing people from your regions to access those sites. Okay, now the platform that allowed me to do this is known as nodemaven.com. Now this particular platform will provide you with proxy service with the most undetectable IPs. Okay, now the good thing about using a proxy service other than a VPN is that proxy services, their connections are very strong and stable. So for example, if you are actually trying to access a site, let's say in the US, and you're staying in a place like Nigeria or Ghana, and that site is not allowing people from your region to access it, if you use a proxy service, that particular site will be thinking that you are operating from US or UK, depending on the IP that you selected when you're setting up your account right here on this Node Maven. Okay, now one thing I really like about this Node Maven is that they actually have one of the strongest undetectable IP address. For example, right now you can see that I actually selected my location setting as United States, Texas right here, and the city is Dallas. Okay, so let's say, for example, if I go over to this particular place right now and go to Hua.net, now you are going to see that Hua.net is going to be able to dictate that I am currently browsing from United States and also from the city of Dallas. Okay, so this is actually the power of this Node Maven. Okay, and one thing about them is that they have very strong IP, and the IP is very stable, which means that most of these platforms you're working on could not be able to detect that you are working from a region that is not accepted, which majorly will result with you getting your account banned. Okay, which is what happens when most people are using things like VPN, or you're using a proxy service that is not well trusted, just like Node Maven. Now, in order to start using the Node Maven proxy services, now they actually have a trial version. So all you simply have to do is just to go to the description of this particular video. You will see the link that I'm going to drop there. Click on that link and it's going to bring you right here to this particular page. Go ahead and sign up and access the trial versions. Now, once you access the trial versions, you're actually going to land on this particular proxy setup. So all you simply have to do is just to go ahead and set up your proxy the same way I have it right here. Or I think what I'm going to do for you guys, I already have a step-by-step video that I created concerning this particular platform known as Node Maven that will guide you on how to properly set up your proxy from beginning to the end, and also launch it, so that once you open up your browsers like this, you can be able to access these type of sites that are previously not allowing people from your vicinity or from your region to access them. So go to the description of this particular video to also see that particular step-by-step video that will guide you how you can be able to sign up on this platform properly, set up your proxy services, start running it on your browser so that you can easily start accessing all the sites that are previously not allowing people from your region to be able to access them. This will not only help you to be able to work with most of these survey sites, you can also use it for affiliate marketing sites like ClickBank, Digistore24, and most of these other websites that do not allow people from your region to sign up on. All the links I mentioned in this video is going to be in the video description of this particular video. Okay, so make sure that you check out the video description of this particular video to access all the links that you need to properly go ahead and set up your Node Maven proxy services to start using it to browse around the internet without having any issues.